Sozani Gogo nomkhulu saluka sendoda lesi Gogo Bathini Mbatha. Uma vula kuvala emzini ngamadoda uanti usha technician edlosi engineer yomsamo. Ngani zakwethu this is a combo omunye usisi ophesheya bekafikile waye njena ukuthi she didn't have a choice but to use these candles, and she used them. She got a job, she got married, she has her own business. She came back to South Africa, she bought a franchise here, Romance Pizza, because of this combo. For years, she said, Gogo, I've been struggling, not working. Things were not adding up. I was getting a new boyfriend almost every month. Gogo, things were tough. Gogo, I was forced to come back to South Africa. But I said, let me try this combo. Maybe something will happen. Gogo, I'm a former prostitute. I've tried everything in life that you can think of, including selling drugs. But after I've used this for 7 days, my life changed. She just came to say, Gogo, I came to say thank you. That's it. Guys, this is one combo that will change your life. Ayifuni muthi ke kho mali lana ngithi wena woza uzonginika imali ngifuna imali engakwenzela lokho cha. This is a free advice. Yellow and blue will show you flames, even if the rest is not there. Just yellow and blue. Thokozani Gogo nomkhulu saluka sendoda.